Good morning, my name is Noah, and I would like to introduce you to the amazing pygmy mice.
I'm sorry, Noah, can you... Caleb, that interrupted his report. Stay still. If you can't see, I'm sorry, guys, you come over here.
I can see better
Go
like
sit in
you.
Noah's spot.
I can sit
You
better
can see
like
right there? We're going to start over. Sorry about that, Noah. Ready? Oh, it's still recording. Go ahead.
Good morning, my name is Noah, and I would like to tell you about the amazing pygmy marmoset. The pygmy marmoset lives in South America and lives primarily in the canopy of the rainforest. The pygmy marmoset is a mammal that is part of the primate order, just like you and me. The pygmy marmoset is the smallest true monkey on the planet. Their fur is a mixture of browns, golds, gray, and black on their backs and faces. The pygmy's underparts are yellow, orange, and pink. The pygmy marmoset has the ability to turn its head 180 degrees, just like an owl. The pygmy also has sharp claws instead of fingernails. They use their claws to cling to branches. The pygmy also has sharp teeth that it uses to chew holes in trees, so that it can get to the tree sap and gum that it eats. The pygmy really enjoys snacking on fruit, butterflies, and other insects. The pygmy starts its day by having a healthy breakfast of tree gum and insects. After breakfast, the pygmies will play and groom each other. The predators of the pygmy are large cats, snakes, other monkeys, and birds. The pygmy defends itself from predators by scratching and biting. The pygmy also has awesome speed. They will also yell and throw rocks at predators. This has been my report about the pygmy marmoset. Thank you for your time. Any questions?
Good.
What do they do when they're in a tree, if they go in trees? They usually groom each other and play. Okay. And if you're wondering why the pygmy is sticking out his tongue, that's playing. Wait, what?
When he sticks out his tongue. Can you turn the board a little bit so Joshua and I can see all of it? There we go. Where is he sticking out his tongue?
Right there.
Oh.
Now, on these, right there, what?
What kind of monkeys are pygmy marmoset predators?
Pygmy marmoset. What kind of monkeys?
What was the question? What kind of monkeys are the pygmy marmoset predators?
Prey?
What's your question?
Oh,
Prey.
which monkeys are the predators?
Yeah.
Is what you're asking. You said other monkeys were the predators. Do you know
Yeah.
what kind?
I think like bigger pygmy marmosets.
Do you think bigger marmosets would eat the smaller ones though? Really?
I don't think so because they're the same kind.
How about me and yours are animals?
Hey Noah, stand next to your
Mine's on a mammal
Yeah,
too.
but-
Yours is?
Mine is.
All right, class. Where did he tell us that marmosets live?
In South America.
What
Let's see if
part?
that's right.
What part of the rainforest do they dwell in?
The canopy. Just like me, mine.
What do they use their sharp teeth for, Kayla?
To kill predators and stuff.
No, to
You told us, Joshua.
to get to bite the trees and to get to sap and the gum that the trees.
Noah, did you hear what Joshua said?
They use their teeth to get to to the sap and the cheese.
And the gum.
Yeah, and the gum.
What do they eat? Do they eat the sap?
Drink.
They drink the sap?